The Crane Rigging and Safety VR training application is designed to provide an immersive and realistic experience that enhances safety, technical skills, and decision-making. In this training, you'll learn essential practices such as inspecting the crane, checking rigging equipment, and assessing ground conditions before any lift. You'll explore the critical roles of the rigger, who selects and secures rigging gear while ensuring proper load balance, and the signalman, who communicates clearly with the crane operator using standardized hand signals or radios, especially when visibility is limited. Good practices like thorough inspections, proper sling selection, and smooth controlled lifts are demonstrated alongside bad practices, such as skipping checks, using damaged gear, and poor communication to help you recognize and avoid real-world hazards. The training emphasizes never standing under suspended loads, maintaining clear zones, and following lift plans to ensure safe operations. By understanding your role and working as a team, you'll help create a safer and more efficient job site. Let's begin your training.